Good morning, children. This is Shashi here. So, we are going to continue chapter number 2, exercise B. And we have discussed till question number 5. 1, 2, 3, 5 till 5 we have discussed. Okay. Today we'll discuss question number 4. Okay. This question number 4 is important for you. But before discussing this question, I would like to tell you one concept. Then only you'll understand how to solve this part. Okay, let's see. So, suppose you have to add 10 to the power 2 plus 10 to the power 5. Okay, so this you'll write 100 plus again you'll write 1 lakh, like this you'll write. Then you'll add it. Okay, so 1 lakh 100 you'll get. After adding both these you'll get, but in the form of exponent only, suppose you have to add it. So since these number were not that much large, so simply you have solved, you have removed the power and in expanded form you have written and added. But suppose if you'll get 2, suppose you'll get 2 into 10 to the power 5 plus 3 into 10 to the power 7. In that case, what you will do? What you have to do in this case, suppose you'll get such kind of number, then how you are going to add? So you'll not able to add unless the exponent will be same, then you can add. Suppose suppose here it is given 2 into 10 to the power 5 plus 3 into 10 to the power 5. Okay, suppose this is the number given to you, you have to add. Now look at here, 10 to the power 5, here also 10 to the power 5. Okay, so what we'll do, in both the term we are getting 10 to the power 5. So 10 to the power 5 we can take common. Okay, and here 10 to the power 5 is multiplied by 2, so we'll take 2 here. Then 10 to the power 5, this 10 to the power 5 we have taken out common, and this 10 to the power 5 is multiplied by 3. Okay, so here plus sign is there, so here we'll write plus 3. So overall we are, how much we'll get? 5. 2 plus 3, 5 into 10 to the power 5. Okay, so overall we'll get 5 into 10 to the power 5. Okay, one more example I am taking. Suppose a number will be given to you, 2 into 10 to the power 7 plus 5 into 10 to the power 7. In this case, 10 to the power 7, here also we are getting, here also we are getting 10 to the power 7. So in both the term, you can see in both the term we are getting 10 to the power 7. So 10 to the power 7 we can take as common and will take outside. Now here 10 to the power 7 is being multiplied by 2. So here we'll write 2. 10 to the power 7 multiplied by 2. Then here plus is there. We have written plus. Now here 10 to the power 7 is multiplied by 5. Okay. So this 10 to the power 7 already taken outside common, and this 10 to the power 7 is multiplied by 5. So here we'll write 5. Okay. This 10 to the power 7, this both we have taken common, and here it is multiplied by 2. So we have written 2 here. Here 10 to the power 7 is multiplied by 5. So we have written here 5. So overall what will get? 10 to the power 7 into how much? 5 plus 2 will get 7. So 7 into 10 to the power 7 we are getting. Okay, so if the exponent will be same, then that we can take outside. Okay, and rest according to the process. Now suppose 2 2 into 10 to the power 6 is given. So we can write 2 into 10 to the power 4 into 10 to the power 2. This way we can write, or we can write 2 into 10 to the power 3 into 10 to the power 3. Why? Because 3 plus 3, both the exponent in this case will be added and it will become 10 to the power 6. In this case also, both the exponent will be added and overall it will become 10 to the power 6. Another way also we can write 2 into 10 to the power 5 into 10. Only 10 means 10 to the power 1. So now let's see another example. Suppose 2 into 10 to the power suppose 2 into 10 to the power 7 plus 3 into 10 to the power 9 is given to you. Okay. Now earlier we have seen the exponents we were having same, but here we are getting 10 to the power 7 and here we are getting 10 to the power 9. In this case, how we will add this part? Okay, so what we have to do? We have to make the exponent same. Here 10 to the power 7, then here also we have to take 10 to the power 7. So what we'll do? We'll write 2 into 10 to the power 7 plus 3 into 10 to the power 7 into 10 to the power 2. This 10 to the power 9 we can write in this form: 10 to the power 7 into 10 to the power 2, 7 plus 2, overall the exponent will be 9. So I have expanded this part, 10 to the power 9. Okay, now look at here. Here also 10 to the power 7, here also 10 to the power 7. Okay, so in both the term we are getting 10 to the power 7. So 10 to the power 7 will take common. Okay, now 10 to the power 7, this part we have taken common. Now in this term 10 to the power 7 is multiplied with 2, so here we'll write 2. Here plus is there, we'll write here plus. Then here 10 to the power 7 is multiplied with what? 10 to the power 7 is multiplied with 10 to the power 2 also and with 3 also. So we'll write 3 into 10 to the power 2. 10 to the power 2. Okay. Now, overall what we'll get? This 10 to the power 2, this 10 to the power 2 means how much? 100. So 3 into 100 will get 300 and plus 2 will get 302. Okay, so overall we'll get 302 into 10 to the power 7. Now again 302 can be written as what? This decimal we can shift here, it will become 3.02 into, since we have shifted this decimal, so we'll get here into 10 to the power 2 again. Okay, so overall 3.02 into how much we'll get? 10 to the power 9. Okay, so this way we can solve. Now we'll come to the question. Now here it is, question number 4. Mass of the earth is 5.97 into 10 to the power 24 kg and mass of the moon is 7.35 into 10 to the power 22 kg, 10 to the power 22. So they are asking what is the total mass of the two. Total mass of the two means mass of the earth and mass of the moon. Total mass they are asking means we have to add both these. So we have to add this part 5.97 into 10 to the power 24 and 7.35 into 10 to the power 22. Okay. Now you can see total mass from the hint only, same thing I have to write and it's written here, so I am telling you from here only. Okay, look at here, total mass 5.97 into 10 to the power 22, 10 to the power 2 into 10 to the power 22. Why we have written in this form? 10 to the power 2 into 10 to the power 22, overall will get 10 to the power 24 only. Okay, and here 7.35 into 10 to the power 22. Why we have splitted in this form? Because here the power is 10 to the power 22 in mass of the moon. So here also we were supposed to make 10 to the power 22. So one part, this 10 to the power 24, 10 to the power 24 we have splitted, and we have written 10 to the power 22 into 10 to the power 2. Okay. So now this 10 to the power 24 is written in this form, because here we are getting 10 to the power 22. Now this 10 to the power 22 we are getting in, we are getting in both the term, 10 to the power 22 here also, 10 to the power 22 here also. So 10 to the power 22 here it is given in shortcut. Okay, let me do. Okay, so 5.97 into 10 to the power 2. Okay, so 10 to the power 2, this much part if we are multiplying, then it is becoming 597. Then into 10 to the power 22, so we have written into 10 to the power 22. Now this part as it is 7.35 into 10 to the power 22. Okay, both this part we have to add. Now you can see here, you can see in both the term, in this term also and in this term also, 10 to the power 22 is common. 10 to the power 22 is common. So we have taken 10 to the power 22 outside the bracket. 10 to the power 22 outside the bracket we have taken. And here 10 to the power 22 is multiplied by 597. So we have written here 597. Here 10 to the power 22 is multiplied by 597. So 10 to the power 22 we have taken out, and 597 we have taken. Then here 10 to the power 22 is there. So this 10 to the power 22 is outside the bracket, and this 10 to the power 22 is multiplied by 7.35. So we have written here 7.35. Now add both these, 597 plus 7.35. Whatever you will get, whatever 597 plus 7.35 means you'll, how much you'll get, 604.35 you'll get after adding this and into 10 to the power 22. So overall you'll get 604.35 into 10 to the power 22 kg. Okay, so before solving this part, that's why I have given smaller example, so that this part you can understand why we have taken 10 to the power 22. Okay, so that we can take this one common, and rest as it is we can add it. Okay, so I hope it is clear to you. So see you in the next class. Thank you.